Hi everyone, I hope everybody is doing well. So today I have a new update on my add-on Easy Typography. There was some fixes on the rendering and shading and all this stuff. Some advanced features that help you so as to decide what you want to do. So let's get in the features. So we have the spacing and we have the 3D button, and also we have the extrude bevel, and in the bevel we make something new. We call it profile. So you can say round it, it will be rounded, and now you can add the bevel. You can add the bevel segments. You can add the bevel segments, as you can see, and it make it smooth. Also, we have chamfer. Also, we have cove, covey. We have ogee, and we have round step, and so on. So if we add, we see it's like a step. We have a step, it's the same, different in the edges. Round ogee, as you can see, uh, wherever you like, wherever you like, and I will promise you, there will be a lot of updates later on. Also, we have topology details. It's the same. It's make topology inside, increasing the topology inside the faces and stuff like this. Smooth, you can make it smooth or not. Okay. Also, we have color. You can take in color, or we have our own feature that add bevel material. So when I say add bevel material now, it gives just the material of bevel. So as you can see, quick and easy. And what's good in that you can find in the bevel material what you want. Okay, body bevel. So you can work on it if you want to make it like metallic stuff, shading, noise, and all this stuff. So I hope you enjoy with it, and see you.